Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic. Before entering into the topic, let's look and glance about what are the things we have previously studied in our classroom. So, by answering these questions, we can able to recall the previous topics. So, which resin codes are used to identify the harmful plastics? Which resin codes? The resin codes with 3, 6 and 7, which are harmful plastics. What are the harmful effects of plastics? It will create damage to the environment as well as our human health. So, what are one-time use plastic? The use and throw away plastics we are used in our daily life, but it causes severe damage to the environment. Which are harmful plastics? In our previous class, we discussed about PVC, ABS, PS, PC. So these are some of the harmful plastics we already discussed in our previous classes. So today we are going to enter about a new topic, new rules to make Tamil Nadu plastic free. As we know that the government of India taking various initiatives to eradicate the plastic to protect the environment. In this, they amendment take amendment and give provisions to the Environmental Protection Act 1988. So it will come into an act from 9th November 1988. By reference to this act, Tamil Nadu government has taken step forward to ban the usage of some kind of plastic item, mainly the usage of one-time use plastics and throwaway plastic from 1st January 2019. So, the rules which ban the production, storage, supply, transport, sale and distribution of one-time use plastic. In this picture, we uh, could get an idea about what are the plastics we are not going to use in our daily life, because it was a part of our daily life, but from this act we ban the production, storage, supply, transport, sale and distribution of one time use plastic as mentioned in these pictures. So they are successfully because they target all section of society, manufacturers, suppliers, shopkeepers and customers. So Tamil Nadu government was able to successfully implement this rule from 1st January to 2019. This progressive initiative taken by the state of Tamil Nadu lead an example to the other states in our India. So we have to discuss about what are the scientific reasons of banning these plastics. So first of all, the banned items. What are the banned items in our rules? So first of all, the plastic carry bags, plastic plates, water pouches, plastic straw, plastic sheets. So these are some of the banned items as mentioned in the Tamil Nadu new rule. So let's look at glance over what are the things banned by the Tamil Nadu government. So first of all, plastic carry bags. Do you know about the plastic carry bags? In shop we use these plastic carry bags previously. So what are the plastic carry bags? It is used to carry some of the things or anything. So this globally we use 2 million plastic bags each minute. For each minute everyone use 2 million plastic bags used globally in the world. So this 97% of the plastic bags do not get recycled because it was difficult to recycle these plastic bags because it was one of the use and throw away plastics. So the animals eat this plastic bag by accident because these plastic bags may contain some of the leftovers. So these animals may eat these leftovers. In this the 97% of the already we learned that the 97% of the plastic bags do not get recycled. Accidentally, these animals, can you see in these pictures? Can you see these animals eating these leftovers in the plastic? Accidentally, they inhale taking this plastic as a food. So after that, in recent uses, a cow was found with over 70 kilos of plastic in its stomach. Do you know 70%? It is a large amount, right? So this environment is full of plastic bags. So, in order to protect the animals and save our planet, the Tamil Nadu government mentioned these plastic carry bags as an banned items. So next, plastic plates. These plastic plates are difficult to recycle. So in these plastic plates are difficult to recycle because most of these one-time use plastics are made from polystyrene with a resin coat sits, which is harmful to our health. When we eat this hot food under this plastic plate, it will harm our health. Plastic plates which we used just for 20 minutes maximum, we used eat for eating purpose only, we use these plastic plates for 20 minutes, and they stay this but it stay the environment for 1,000 years. So for the 20 minutes usage, it will last uh, harmful effect to the world for 1,000 years. So next, the water pouches. Can you see these water pouches in your shops, in any shops? But it was banned from 2019. We doesn't know about these water pouches. Some of them may know, some of them may don't know. So these water pouches, can you see in this picture, it contain a blueprint. Can you see this? The blueprint on the clear plastic pouch decrease this recycling value. So this the printed blueprint on this clear plastic pouch decrease the reduce recycling value. So it was very difficult to recycle these water pouches. Once a water pouch is used, it is difficult to recycle. In another reason, it contains some leftover water and it gets covered in dirt. So maybe we throw it in the some of them they thrown in the soil. So some of the dirt, the surroundings will also accommodate in the water pouches. So it was difficult to recycle it. Then the another plastic item banned is plastic straw. Plastic straws are too light and small to be recycled. Straws are one of the top 10 items which are found in plastics pollution in ocean. In ocean, most of them straws are 10 items. One of the 10 items is plastic straw. This 90% of the sea bags have ingested plastic such as straw. The 90% of the sea bags are ingesting this ingested these plastics because these plastic straws are already available in many of the shops and mainly used in beaches to drink cold drinks or any item. So these cause severe damage to the bags as well as the environment. So it was also under the banned items. So then the plastic sheets. Can you hear about these plastic sheets? Today we are using paper sheets before in the marriage ceremonies in the food dining hall. So before these paper sheets, they used plastic sheets. These plastic sheets use one of the top of plates, get dirt and cannot be recycled. In this, it was this we using this purpose for eating the food. It spill on these plastic sheets and more chemicals leak from this plastic into food when it is cold, spicy or oil. So these plastic sheets also used in packaging of the foods. So more of the chemicals will leak into the food because of the hot. We place this food in a hot and packed in a random manner, in a very clean manner. So in this plastic, it will react with the food and it will contaminate this food. Animals such as cow, goats, dogs, plastic accidentally eat or it may eat this plastic because of the spicy smell from these plastic sheets. So these are also under the banned items. So what are the banned items we discussed? Plastic carry bags, and it was a severe damage to the animals. Next, plastic plates, water pouches, plastic straw, plastic sheets. So these are some of the banned items. Then we are going to discuss about role of students in the prevention of plastic pollution. Can you think about the prevention of plastic pollution? Because it was in already we learned about some of the harmful plastic, how we can identify the resin codes and how we can avoid the harmful plastics. So students, as a students, you have a role to prevent this plastic pollution. So as a students, you can, what are the way we can prevent this plastic solution? We can share our knowledge on plastics with our students, with the teacher, with the parents, relatives, and friends to make them aware of plastic pollution. We can share our knowledge with our friends, students, and anybody, siblings. We can share our knowledge. We can help teaching them how to avoid this harmful plastic, because these we already learned about the resign codes in our classes. We do activities, right? So based upon this, we can, you can teach your co-members, or you can teach your parents, relatives about this harmful effect of plastics, and how we can identify the harmful plastic by using these resign codes. Can you recall these resign codes? These resign codes with the 3, 6 and 7 are harmful plastics, but others are can be recycled easy. So we can teach about these 7 resign codes. So you can also educate them how to use this plastic, how to we can stop this one time use plastic. So the practice in our daily life, please don't throw away your basket and trays away our basket. So some of them throw these plastic items away from the dustbin, right? Many of them don't use the dustbin. They throw their chocolate covers, their anything, plastic items or anything in the environment, in the our environment. So make them, we can use this dustbin to, before entering into the environment, let put the waste in a proper way, and to recycle it, we can put it in a dustbin. So these are the first thing. You may use chocolate covers, right, in classrooms, in anything. So just put the plastic cover in a dustbin. So next, don't use this thermocol. Do you know about the thermocol? Don't use this type of the thermocol in your science project, and do not use this one-time plastics. We already discussed in our previous classes. Try avoid these one-time plastics. For plastic water bottles, let's use steel water bottles. For this coffee cups, you can use steel cups. For the plastic bags, you can use paper bags, etc. So this plastic cup, we can use this steel cup. So straw, we can have a paper straw, we can make it, right? So do not use these one time use plastics in our daily life. So next, do not burn this plastic, since it releases toxic gases and harmful to our health and contribute to climate change. So don't as in this picture, can you see these plastic was burning in this picture? So it will release some toxic gases. So don't use these, don't burn these plastic bags. So next of all, PVC plastics, it releases dioxin, which is one of the most dangerous chemicals known to humans. So don't, by burning this pipes, we can it release, and PVC burning of these PVC plastics can release a dioxin toxic gas. It was very harmful to humans. So don't burn these PVC plastics. So next of all, do not eat hot or spicy food in this plastic container. We already know about these plastic containers. It was very harmful. So don't eat food items in this plastic container. And we have to segregate our plastic waste into our municipal in from municipal authorities. They are coming weekly once to collect the plastic waste, right? In our surroundings also, we can see the municipal authorities collecting the plastic waste. So you can keep the plastic bags used in your home in a carry bag, and you can give it to the municipal authorities. They can provide they can help us to recycle this plastic. So don't throw away the plastic or ban the plastic, just collect and give it to the municipal authorities. So as a students, you are the main, you can teach your parents about it. So next of all, identify the resign codes and avoid unsafe plastic. We already discussed about these resign codes in our previous classes. Just identify the harmful plastic and educate the people about these resin codes and avoid this plastic. So these are the things we have discussed in our classes. First of all, the rules. What are the rules uh, mentioned by the Tamil Nadu government to become a plastic free Tamil Nadu, and what are the things banned items, these plastic carry bags and these plastic plates, water pouches, plastic straws, plastic sheets, and we have discussed about role of students in the prevention of plastic pollution by educating the elders and identifying the resign codes, and what are the practice you have to use in our daily life as we discussed in the today classes. So thank you students. I hope you understand this topic.